Hi everyone, I have this PDF file. I want to edit in Word document and save it as a PDF again. How we can do it? From here, search for Word. Open it. Then click Open. Click Browse. My destination location for PDF file is desktop. Find it, this one. Select it and open. Just click OK. Now you can edit it. For example, I change its color. Select Ctrl, I select all. You can change its text style, Times New Roman. Change it to. Also, you can delete and add. That's the way of changing PDF file in Microsoft Word. Now, if you want to save it as PDF, just from File, Save As, Browse. For example, in desktop again, name it Article Layout 1. Change the file to PDF and save. Yes. Now that's a new one. Article Layout 1, directly open it, and this one is the previous one. To find it, I save it in desktop. This one, Article Layout 1. That is the new one. That's all. Have a nice day.